Okay fellas, let's check what a Milwaukee brings to us today. It's a M8 and 12 volts high output, red lithium, and the problem is just one light blinking, the charger is not accepting it, so that's not good. Customer don't like it. Okay, and whoa. What we can see here, we can see that the plate here is totally burned out, and this one is heated but not burned out. Let's check it. Yeah, okay, and this one you can see totally burned. So what can we do here? We can try to spot weld the new plate, or other way we can just go and cry, I don't know. Okay, let's try to check what can we do here. Basically, if I want to weld anything here, I think I need to remove the PCB. Okay, maybe really the Milwaukee soldered it, why not? Okay, now we need to solder the connection here. This one looks like a fuse. Okay. Let's try to unscrew the screws here. They are holding the controller, BMS, the PCB, or as you name it. Okay, so now here we have the battery pack. And now here we can see that this plate, yeah, is spot welded in some kind of fancy way. Let's try to remove it, and I think I will take out my spot welder. Yeah, it's a nice tiny plate. and basically I think it's made like a fuse. Got out really easily. Yeah. Let's check what I have here. I have the nickel strip. Okay, let's check. Yep, holds good. What more? Nice copper. Okay. Now we can check that we'll solder everything back. Maybe I'll try to remove some excess solder here. Okay, we'll do it in old-fashioned way. Now what we need to do, we need to align the pins with the holes. PCB starts to work now. I'm just checking all the pins are in place. Okie dokie. What I'll do now, I will tighten the board to the housing. We'll check if all the straps are in place, and now I will reheat these pins. Why? Because I made them to press down, they will go up and the pressure will be released. Okay, now we have this nice plate. Waiting it to cool off. Nice. And now we will solder the bad guy. and we have all 4 lights up. That's very nice. So that means the battery is working. Putting the protection here. Closing the housing. Okay, housing is closed, the battery is working, and I'm charging the customer. You are pressing thumbs up on my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.